Well, here's the first test on the new camera. Well, new to me. I've been after this camera for so long. I can't wait to see what this recorder is going to be like. Apparently it's supposed to be really good. So we'll give that a bash. Back in a minute.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
we've got this far, and it all looks like it's going swimmingly, doesn't it? Well, I can tell you, I've broken my resin printer. Not intentionally. I spilled some resin on it, and it cured on the glass bed, so I thought I'll just scrape it off. And of course it wasn't just resin, it was the polarised covering, so I've had to order another one. So what you've just seen, me 3D printing those resin parts, half of them didn't print, so we're going to have to find an alternative way around of doing this. I was hoping to finish this for you, we'll see how far we can get, but I'll just show you what happened for what's left of it anyway. So let's have a look. So those eagle-eyed viewers of you out there probably noticed that this was lined. It's got lines on it because I had to reprint these parts purely because well, the other ones didn't come out really, and the bits I did get, quite literally, bits are here. So I managed to just about rescue probably 3 of the parts I needed. So I'll try and incorporate what I've got with something else and try and move on with the build as best we can. That's all we can do. Okay, so first of all, I'm enjoying this camera. Before we go any further, I'd just like to say a very, very warm welcome to our new subscribers. Yes, we've got even more new subscribers. Very welcome here. I hope you're liking what you see. I'm sorry the videos have been delayed. I've been having a lot of production problems, to say the very least. So I think we might conclude this video here because I've kind of run out of resources, so I'm going to have to rethink it, and I'll get this finished on the next one, I promise you that. Meanwhile, I'll just show you what silly antics I did to me printer. So here we are, it's my nice drying station. Fortunately I've not broken that. And here's the Anycubic Photon Mono, which I think is amazing. And I'm really pleased I bought it. However, you can probably already see here what's happened. I thought this was resin. So, with the help of a foolish friend, I tried to scrape it off thinking, oh, it's just glass, it's tinted glass. It's not. This is normal glass with the LCD screen, and there is a polarized adhesive reflector or diffuser, whatever you want to call it, on there. And I've, as you can see, I've really damaged that, so it's not going to print anything at the moment. You can replace these. I have ordered a replacement for it, so until that arrives, obviously I can't 3D print anymore on there. So they're very stupid. Expensive lesson learned, but at least it is a lesson learned. I won't be doing that again, so that's delayed production. So once again, I apologise for that. So there we are. Disappointing for me, clearly disappointing for you. I'm sorry about that, but I've got a lot of A lot of cracking projects I want to share with you when this one's done. I want to get this one done on the very next video. Once again, your patience outstands me. Your patience astounds me. See, I had to write that down, it's over there. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient as always. Hope you had a good new year. Stay safe out there. We're nearly out of the woods. I'm sure I've said this before. So, till next time, take care.